All right, so this is the day I've been waiting for. It's taken about 3 weeks for all my parts to come in. Right now we're gonna just do a little sound mode, and then we'll do a sound test of sport mode, and then we'll do an after install with a forged downpipe, Titan Downpipe, forged charge pipe, and Eventuri intake, and show you guys what all that sounds like. So we're also going to do a record of the install of the forged charge pipe, Eventuri intake, and downpipe, not necessarily in that order, but we'll show you guys how we take everything off and show you guys how we install all that. And I'm really excited. It's been like a 3-week wait for all these parts to come in. These Supras are hot, so everybody's having a hard time getting parts because of COVID shutdowns and all that. Parts are finally here and we're real excited. So right now we're just going to do a quick clip of the exhaust sound in comfort mode, and then we'll do one in sport mode. All right. This is exhaust in regular comfort mode. I'm going to switch over to sport mode. There's a ton of burbles and crackles, which sounds really, really great. The actual exhaust, stock exhaust in this car is amazing. It's one of the things that that sold me on this car, was the sound of the exhaust. So anyway, we're gonna head over to see Justin at East Coast Supra and get going on the install. Hey, we're here with Justin with East Coast Supra.
What's going on, guys?
Justin's gonna do some install work with me on my 2020 Supra. What we're gonna do today is Titan Downpipe, forged charge pipe, and Eventuri intake.
That's correct.
Everything came from East Coast Supra. Justin is a great dude. He worked with me and got me great deals on some great parts, and we can't wait to get them in. So we're going to do that now and go from there. We'll do an after sound, see how everything goes. Alright, so this is something that Justin and I, Justin from East Coast Supra and I installed last week, which was a very easy install. We removed the factory Toyota engine cover, and we put on a Titan Motorsports carbon engine cover, which is gorgeous. Everyone that's seen it, we went to a couple Cars and Coffee, and we went to a little car show last weekend. Everyone loved it. It's great quality. It was a really, really easy fitment. All you had to do was swap the grommets from the Toyota factory engine cover onto this engine cover, and it clipped right in place. It was really easy. Price was great, and honestly, the make is really, really great. It's made really well, and have had no issues so far. And it's beautiful. Look at it. It's gorgeous. All right, we're here with Justin at East Coast Supra, and we're going to do an unboxing of the Eventuri intake for the A90, A91 Supras. It's carbon fiber. It's not the cheapest of intakes on the market, but it's beautiful, and I can't wait to see it. So we're gonna open this box up and take a look at what I've been really excited to see. Pictures might not do this thing justice, so let's see what this thing looks like. And it's a box within a box, go figure. Get this out. It's not heavy. Probably save this packaging and go ahead and put my factory intake into this box and just store it. So if I ever have to go back to the factory intake for whatever reason, I will. But boxing is nice. It's black, like carbon, black tape even. Beautiful. I like the packaging. See what this thing looks like. Come on, let's go. I'm excited. Alright, we got a lot of packing in here. This is what it looks like. Air box.
What are you video?
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that thing is sweet. Look at that. It's even got an Eventuri nameplate on it with serial number. Oh yeah, nice. 013A.
Nice.
Sweet, dude. That thing
Yeah,
is beautiful.
these are, Eventuri definitely has the best quality carbon on the market right now when it comes to the A90 Supra, A91 Supra as well. They utilize a closed air box as a cold air intake, along with bigger piping and bigger cone air box.
Yeah, so the air box itself is all carbon. And Eventuri, the art of airflow. So can't wait to get this on the car, see how this thing works.
Sounds good. Let's
Yeah,
get it on.
Yeah, for sure. So this is the actual air intake pipe for the Eventuri, all carbon fiber. It looks like it's great quality, beautiful quality actually. Big diameter, has aluminum ports, nice adapter. Actually says A90 on it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool, nice, great quality. Can't wait to get it on the car, and we'll actually show you guys the install on the car. All right, great, thanks. So along with the Eventuri intake, we're going to be throwing on a forged charge pipe, which I believe is a larger diameter over the factory charge pipe, right, Justin? Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah.
I think it's 3-inch compared to actual 2.5-inch for the factory.
Yeah, the factory one's crimped and bent,
Yeah.
odd ways, so you're definitely gonna get better and more airflow along with a couple ports on those charge pipes.
Yeah, so there's a port for meth injection, right?
Yep,
On
you can
this
use
charge
the port
pipe?
for either meth or nitrous injection right
Yeah,
into those.
right into the charge pipe.
Yep.
The charge pipe is actually aluminum, and all the ports and everything are actually welded onto it. It looks like great quality. There's smooth transitions between the pieces of the charge pipe. Hold on, that's one piece there, and I believe there's two other pieces right here. There's a coupling and the other part to the charge pipe. And these are aluminum, not plastic. The factory charge pipes are plastic. So just the quality here is gonna be a lot better being aluminum. Hopefully it lasts, because aluminum should last longer than plastic. So this is the other piece to the charge pipe. As you can see, it's actually machined aluminum on the inside. It looks like it's anodized as well, so that's a good thing. Anodized will will save some corrosion. It'll save the part from corroding. So it looks like it's great quality. Can't wait to get it on the car. Forge Motorsports. Got this from Justin at East Coast Supra. All right, and the last thing we're going to install with Justin over here at East Coast Supra is a Titan catless downpipe. And I can't wait to get this on here because it's going to actually change the sound.
Yeah, these things are sweet. The quality on these is 100% welds, everything about it. And then you can't beat the price at $299 for a stainless steel downpipe.
Oh yeah.
With quality welds. I mean,
oh yeah.
everyone else is almost double that. So,
oh yeah.
You know, big shout out to Titan Motorsports and the guys over there. Awesome crew.
Yeah, can't wait to get this on, get some improved sound, get some improved flow and performance too. Can't wait.
Again, up in the middle. What's going on, guys? It's Justin with East Coast Supra. So we have Pete's car here today. We're going to be installing Eventuri intake along with forged boost pipes, and then also a Titan Motorsports downpipe. So to start, definitely want to get this beautiful Titan Motorsports engine cover off, all 3X twill carbon fiber. It's absolutely gorgeous, and those can be found only and exclusively at eastcoastsupra.com. So we start off by unhooking, detaching our MAF sensor, and then we're going to loosen the band clamp under your clips, 4 clips for the airbox, and go ahead and just remove the top portion of that. Remove your air filter. And then you should be able to remove the bottom half along with the intake manifold or the intake piping. So we have the replacement Eventuri air intake piping, and we went ahead and swapped over the MAF sensor from the OEM airbox or OEM piping and put it right on here along with a new coupler from Eventuri. Alright guys, so the next step after getting our forged boost pipes installed is going to be installing our new Titan downpipe. While we have the airbox out, it's going to give us a little bit more access to that area. So what we'll do is we'll jack up the vehicle or use lift to get the vehicle up and basically remove the exhaust connector, and then we're going to drop that, and we're going to drop our OEM downpipe. Over here we've already unclipped the O2 sensors, so those you can see right on the left back side of the engine. Those 2 clips there have been removed, so that will make taking the OEM downpipe out much easier. So let's get started. All right, as you guys can see, we have removed the OEM downpipe, and this thing is it's definitely pretty beefy compared to a lot of the replacement aftermarket downpipes that companies are producing. Weight-wise, it's probably about double the size. Also, obviously you get this catalytic converter in here that you definitely want to get out if you're trying to gain maximum horsepower. So we went with the obvious choice was Titan Motorsports catless downpipe. Again, those welds, if you just look at those pretty closely, you can see, I mean, the welds are perfect, everything's nice, and you get a great price with it too for $299. When everyone else is at minimums of $450, this is a great option. So what we're going to use is just a special, it's going to be a special O2 sensor removal, and basically it's just going to fit over that wire, and it's got a little groove there. It goes right on, and we're going to be able to torque it off. So after we do that, we'll get the new catless downpipe in, and we'll see how this thing sounds. So guys, we have the Eventuri carbon fiber intake. We've assembled it, as you can see, and we've swapped over some of the OEM components that we'll need. The last step is just to place it pretty gently into our engine bay. All right guys, as you can see, we've completed Z-Peats install with an Eventuri cold air intake. We've got the Titan Downpipe. It's catless downpipe for maximum horsepower and torque. It's going to give us amazing airflow, and then along with our forged boost pipes, which compared to stock or OEM, they're not going to compress under high boost, and they're also going to they're going to last a little bit longer than some of those plastic OEM materials would. Now we're set up for Monday with Mikey Body. We're going to get a nice 93 tune, and we should see good mid 400s up to about 5 once we get some ethanol maybe in it, or methanol. But right now, with a nice 93 tune, along with you know, these Go Fast parts we've installed, I think you're going to be pretty happy with the build.
Yeah, I can't wait. Can't wait. Been waiting a while, and very excited. Can't wait. Can't wait till Monday. Get the tune done. All the parts are in now. All we need to do is get the tune and rock and roll. Alright, so now we're going to do a cold start to see how it sounds after install of the Titan Downpipe, forged charge pipe, and intake. We'll do a cold start in sport mode, and then we'll do some revs to see how it sounds.